Hey everybody, JP here. Last year, we flew a customer's toy fox to the edge of space on a high-altitude balloon. The YouTube Shorts had just come out. These are short duration videos with a tall, narrow format, kind of like TikTok. We put the Fox video out there in video shorts just to try it out. The narrow view just didn't do justice to the great scenes of the Earth below, and the 30 seconds wasn't enough time to really feel the flight. So we've gone back and re-edited. We've put the video back into the widescreen and added more scenes. So, like Blade Runner and Aliens before it, here is Flight of Space Fox, the director's cut. Enjoy.
We check
Space Fox spent 2 nights on the mountain before being rescued by the recovery team. You know, I wonder what we should fly next.